all the courses that you are looking for are on this particular page. There are some of them that are specifically for international students. Any of the courses here, in as much you have all the requirements, is very seamless. Within 2 to 5 minutes you are done submitting, and you can just be waiting for results. Let's jump straight into this video. In my last video I said people should mention the areas of opportunity they are looking for, and a couple of people sent what they are looking for, and to the glory of God, I'm back in this video to share with you so many opportunities that are available in this school. The first one you can see is pharmacology, followed by geoscience, psychology for master, psychology for PhD. We have environment and development psychology again, administration, music, political science, food and nutrition. We have tourism, we have letters, physics, design, pharmacology, biological sciences in the area of entomology. We have education in science, mathematical education and educational technologies. We have zoology, forestry engineering, aquaculture and sustainable development. We have mechanical engineering, agile project engineering. Mechanical engineering is again, the first one is for the masters and the second one is for PhD. We have sciences in the area of biochemistry, we have education, we have quality engineering, the black belt certification, we have collective health, we have geography, bioinformatics, economic development. In fact, this economic development is specifically for foreign students. I'm going to be sharing with us details about these two opportunities. We have botany, bioinformatics, ecology and conservation, engineering and material science, engineering and material science as well. The first one for masters and the second one for PhD. We have dentistry, water and environmental resources engineering, resource science, aquaculture and sustainable development, nursing, 2 for masters, 2 for PhD. Geology, we have coastal and oceanic systems, we have specialization in business management and engineering construction contract, electrical engineering, microbiology, parasitology and pathology. We have medicine, surgical clinical aspect, we have physical education, structure, chemistry, environmental engineering as well. We have MBA in neuroscience and cognitive marketing. We have MBA course in media education. We have electrical engineering. We have rights. We have MBA in strategic management and renewable natural energies, collective veterinary sciences in the area of biochemistry as well. We have nutrition, etc. However, all these courses I'm going to be discussing with you in this video. Now let's look at the timeline, because it is very important that we look at the timeline. For example, this very one, which is a continuous flow, it means you can send in your application anytime. I noticed that some of them are actually was for the first semester, but majority of all the courses you are seeing right here on my screen are for second semester. For example, look at this science, biochemistry is for second semester, and this particular one as well is for second semester. And right here towards the end, you are also going to be looking at deadline. So for example, this one started in collective veterinary medicine. It started the first day in the month. This one you are seeing here is the month, so it has been on since April and it's going to be closing by this is September, so on and on like that. Some of them closed yesterday, July 31, that's closed, but in other places where you are seeing 8, 9, 10, 11, it is still open, guys. So you can see all of them you are seeing on this screen here. This one has closed. Open. This one has closed. This one is open. This one is open. This one is open. It's going to be closing soon. This one right here is open. This one 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 is open, guys. This is one of the beautiful schools talking about coming to Brazil, and it is no other school than the UFPR. It's a very good school and it is located in Curitiba. They also have campuses in different cities in Brazil. So guys, if you are interested and you're looking for opportunities, almost all the courses that you are looking for are on this particular page. Now there's something I need to call your attention to. Some of them are also our postdoc. Okay, so all those places where you are seeing 3, 4, most of them are postdoc. Okay, so for example, look at this administration, we have postdoc. That is number one. I need to call your attention. There are some of them that are specifically for international students. For example, look at this psychology. Okay, and if you scroll towards my right, you will see that selection for foreign students, this is still open and it's going to be open even up to December. Okay, you can see for foreign student. Okay, so if you are interested, not only this one, there is still another one down on this page that is specifically for foreign student. Then we also have for some postdoc. If you know someone that has done his PhD elsewhere in Pakistan, in India, or anywhere you're watching this video from, if you know anyone that wants to do postdoc, come on, this is an opportunity for postdoc enthusiasts. So you can kindly share this opportunity with them. If it belongs to any WhatsApp group or Telegram, kindly share with people, share information so that people can benefit. Don't forget that we rise, as they usually say, by lifting others. So share these opportunities with them. It might not be for you, but eventually what you are even looking for is not here, or the conditions doesn't match what you're looking for. So share this opportunity with someone that may be interested. Share it in a general group so that people can be aware of this opportunity. And I'm wishing all of you that's going to be applying best of luck. Also, definitely, we're also going to be using one as a simulation. So right here in the middle, okay, that is, if you click here, it's going to take you to the program page, the program website. Okay, so this right here can open the editor, but even at the program page you can also see the editor right there. So if you click here, it's going to take you to the editor. If you click here, it's going to take you straight to where you are going to start the application itself here. And guess what? Apply for any of the courses here, in as much you have all the requirements, is very seamless. Within 2 to 5 minutes you are done submitting, and you can just be waiting for results. Lately, if you are an applicant from Nigeria, you agree with me that some people have been experiencing delay in their visa. In fact, some people apply for visa and after a long time their application weren't attended to, and by the time it is being attended to, the embassy is asking for updated admission letter, which some people have not been able to get, and is making them to lose visa. I've seen 1, 2, 3, more than 3 people that I've sent, that I've heard about, and what they told me is that, oh, when they requested for a new admission letter, the school is not ready to do that for them, and because of that the embassy denied them the visa. So what I'm trying to say is that if you have applied to one course, even if you have an admission in your hand, don't stop there until when you get to Brazil. Maybe that is when you should just stop trying to make your application, because it looks like every season comes with different strategies. So that could be the next strategy you have to imbibe right now. I know I am aware of the recent developments as regard the promise to make the visa faster, and I'm praying it's going to be like that. However, guys, if you are yet to get your visa, do not stop applying. Apply as much as you can, but if you have gotten, please stop, so that all other people can maximize the opportunity. So it won't just be like you're wasting opportunity for some other people. And because we have seen so many things that is also happening about so many people getting an opportunity and eventually they jetting in it and they're not following up. This is an opportunity that could have been given to other people. Come to talk of the amount of stress, the amount of hard work, the amount of energy that the admission committee has put into assessing your application. So you can imagine they could have used that for someone that is really interested. So guys, if you are not interested in coming to Brazil, do not waste opportunities for people that are genuinely interested. Again, if you have gotten an admission and you are seeing green light with your visa application, please kindly pass it to someone that may be interested. So guys, all these opportunities, they are open for you to make application, and I'm wishing you best of luck in your application. So guys, let's just click one of these, the one that are specific for foreigners, and let's see how it's going to be done. For example, I told you that if you click here, it's going to take you to where you will see the editor straight, and if you click here, it will take you to where you need to fill in your information. So right, I've clicked that part and look at where it brought me to. Selective process in psychology masters, and it is for foreign students. So you can read about all the documents you need and make your application. Like I told you, within 2 to 5 minutes you are done, because you do really not have so many things to fill. Just upload all the things you are requesting for, you click here and you submit. And guys, again, I'm wishing you best of luck. There's something I need to tell you. If you are looking for someone that can help you to write a proposal that's going to stand out, you can contact me. If you're looking for someone someone that can help you to overhaul the process from A to Z, you can also contact me. Don't forget that most of these opportunities you are going to be doing interview, it is not good for you to get to the interview without you being able to speak little Portuguese. So guys, continue to hold your knowledge of Portuguese, and if you want to join our Portuguese class, don't forget to contact me. Drop Portuguese in the comment section. I will get back to you. Most importantly, if any of the courses you are looking for is not listed in this code, well, I want you to drop it in the comment section and I will be on the lookout. I made a promise from the last video, and that is why I'm bringing this video for you. Again, if this video does not contain the area you are looking for, I want you to drop it down in the comment section. God's willing, I'm going to be coming back with another video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, don't forget to like, and don't forget to share with someone that might be interested. I will be seeing you in the next video. Ciao ciao.